Hello students, welcome to Breedmark Academy. Myself L.S. Nanda. Now in this particular video, I am going to discuss the detailed solution of fourth question of free maths mock test for JEE Main 2026 offered by me. The question says the value of the expression cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 3 plus 7 into cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 5 plus 17 into cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 7 and so on till plus 449 into cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 31 is equal to. Now students, this is a fantastic problem involving the concepts of trigonometry, inverse trigonometry and sequences and series. First of all, we need to find the total number of terms present in this series. And for that purpose, just look at these numbers inside the cot inverse function, that is 3, 5, 7 and so on till 31. Clearly, these numbers are forming an arithmetic progression with common difference 2. Starting from 3 and ending at 31. So just find its general term. It becomes a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is clearly 2n plus 1, right? And since the last term is 31, so if I put the nth term as 31, then the value of n comes as 15. So that means there are total 15 terms present in this particular sequence, right? Now students, we will find the general term of this sequence and finally we will find the sum of this series. Now students, to find the general term of this sequence, first of all, we need to find the general term of the sequence containing the numbers 1, 7, 17 and so on till 449. You can clearly see these numbers are forming different series. So I am supposing the sum of this series as S, and it is 1 plus 7 plus 17. Next term will be 31 and so on till 449. Now at the place of 449, I am just putting Tn. I am considering the sum of this series till nth term because my aim is to find the nth term for this particular different series. Now again I am writing S on the left hand side, but on the right hand side I am shifting the terms one place to the right hand side. That means 1 will now come below 7 and 7 will come below 17 and so on. I am calling this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. Now just subtract second equation from the first equation. You will get 0 equal to 1 plus 6 plus 10 plus 14 and so on till Tn minus 1 and then minus Tn. So this means nth term of this different series becomes 1 plus. Now students, clearly this is an arithmetic progression having n minus 1 terms. So the sum of this AP becomes n minus 1 divided by 2 into 2a, which means 12, plus n minus 2 into d, and d here is 4. So this becomes 1 plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into 4n plus 4, and this becomes 1 plus 2 into n square minus 1, and finally this is equal to 2n square minus 1. So that means the nth term of this different series is 2n square minus 1. If you put n equal to 15 over here, you will get the last term of this series, that is 449. Now students, we move further. Now students, the general term of this sequence or the rth term is equal to TR equal to 2R square minus 1 into cot of pi by 4 minus 2 cot inverse 2R plus 1. Right? Now students, whenever you come across any function that involves trigonometric function as well as inverse trigonometric function, then always substitute the inverse trigonometric function as theta. Now here I am substituting cot inverse 2R plus 1 equal to theta. So that means cot theta becomes equal to 2R plus 1. And remember that here 2R plus 1 is a positive quantity. Now the sum of this series I am representing as S dash becomes equal to summation TR, where R varies from 1 to 15. Now students, let's simplify TR. Now cot of pi by 4 minus 2 theta, because this particular quantity has become cot of pi by 4 minus 2 theta. So I'm just simplifying it. Now we know that cot theta is equal to tan 90 minus theta. So this further becomes equal to tan of pi by 4 plus 2 theta. Just apply the formula of tan A plus B. It becomes 1 plus tan 2 theta divided upon 1 minus tan 2 theta. Now students, since cot theta is equal to 2R plus 1, so this means tan theta is equal to 1 upon 2R plus 1. And we know that tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided upon 1 minus tan square theta. So I have just substituted the value of tan theta in this particular formula. Now from here, I get the value of tan 2 theta equal to 2 into 2R plus 1 divided upon 4R square plus 4R. Right? Now students, we move further. Now students, just divide up and down by 2. So tan 2 theta becomes equal to 2R plus 1 divided upon 2R square plus 2R. So this means cot of pi by 4 minus 2 theta becomes equal to 1 plus 2R plus 1 divided upon 2R square plus 2R whole divided upon 1 minus 2R plus 1 divided upon 2R square plus 2R. Upon simplification, it becomes 2R square plus 4R plus 1 divided upon 2R square minus 1. Right? Now students, TR finally becomes equal to 2R square plus 4R plus 1, because 2R square minus 1 gets cancelled. Now we can easily find the value of S dash. It is equal to summation 2R square plus 4R plus 1, and R varies from 1 to 15. Now it has been converted to a question involving the topic of sequences and series. Now students, we move further. Now students, S dash becomes equal to 2 into summation R square, where R varies from 1 to 15, plus 4 into summation R, where R varies from 1 to 15, plus 15, because summation 1 R varying from 1 to 15 is just equal to 15. Now using the appropriate formulae the value of S dash becomes equal to 2 into 15 into 16 into 31 divided by 6 plus 4 into 15 into 16 divided by 2 plus 15. Now just do the calculations. It becomes 2480 plus 480 plus 15. So this is 2960 plus 15. And finally it is 2975. So that means option B is the correct one. Now students, in my tomorrow's video, I will be discussing the detailed solution of fifth question of free mock maths test for JEE Main 2026. I have just posted that question. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video also. So keep watching my videos and enhance your knowledge of mathematics. Thanks.